Volcanoes are nature's raw power, a reminder of the Earth's fiery heart beneath our feet. They're not just mountains. They're living, breathing entities that can erupt with a force that can reshape landscapes and alter climates. Imagine standing at the foot of one, the ground rumbling beneath you, the air thick with the scent of sulfur, and the sky darkening with ash. It's awe-inspiring and terrifying all at once. There are different types of volcanoes, each with its own personality. Shield volcanoes like Mauna Loa in Hawaii are gentle giants, their broad, sloping sides formed by the flow of low-viscosity lava. They ooze rather than explode, creating a landscape that seems to stretch endlessly. Then there are stratovolcanoes, like Mount St. Helens, which are more volatile. They build up layers of ash and lava, creating steep profiles that can erupt violently, sending plumes of ash miles into the sky. The power of these eruptions can be catastrophic, devastating entire towns and altering ecosystems in an instant. But it's not just about destruction. Volcanoes also create life. The fertile soils around them are some of the most productive on Earth. When a volcano erupts, it releases minerals and nutrients that enrich the land, fostering lush vegetation. Think about the vineyards in the shadow of Mount Etna in Sicily, thriving on the rich volcanic soil, producing some of the finest wines in the world. It's a cycle of destruction and creation, a dance of death and rebirth that has been happening for millions of years. And let's not forget the science behind it all. The Earth's crust is like a jigsaw puzzle, made up of tectonic plates that float on the molten mantle below. When these plates collide, pull apart, or slide against each other, they create the conditions for volcanic activity. Subduction zones, where one plate is forced under another, are particularly notorious for producing some of the most explosive eruptions. The pressure builds up until it can no longer be contained, resulting in a violent release of energy. Volcanoes also remind us of our own fragility. Entire civilizations have been wiped out by their fury. Pompeii, buried under layers of ash from Vesuvius, serves as a haunting reminder of nature's indifference to human existence. Yet, despite the risks, people are drawn to these majestic formations. They are symbols of beauty and danger, of life and death. In the end, volcanoes are a testament to the Earth's dynamic nature. They are a reminder that we are but temporary inhabitants on this planet, living on the edge of something far greater than ourselves. They teach us about resilience, about the power of nature, and about the delicate balance of life that exists in the shadow of their might.